Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm going to show you how to clean your hair after a sweaty gym workout, because if you guys can see, my hair has a lot of sweat in it, and that's because now guys, I'm working out for about an hour and a half a few days a week to lose body fat and build muscle. So that means I am sweating throughout the whole time, and I'm taking advantage of the hot days so it can help me sweat more. So if you can see my hair guys, it has a lot of sweat. The scalp has a lot I have to clean away, and I can't wait until wash day. So that means I have to clean this before wash day on my workout days. So I'm going to show you guys just how I do that. The first important thing guys you need to do is make sure you get under that shower with warm water and rinse out your hair. And you're doing this because you're trying to take out as much of the sweat and grime as possible before you actually use anything to clean your hair. And this is a great part of you not using a lot of product before wash day to avoid stripping your natural oils and clean your hair. So you're going to rinse out your hair for about a minute or 3 minutes, however long it takes you to feel that your hair feels a little bit clean without using shampoo or conditioner. Now the next thing I do guys, because my hair is dirty as I showed you guys, is I use my raw black soap DIY shampoo. If you guys haven't seen how I made that, you can go on my channel and click on that video. And I'm using that shampoo because it does not strip my hair. It helps to moisturize my hair and keep it soft, as well as it doesn't dry my ends, so I don't have to worry about them being super dry and losing the little bit of moisture that's in there, so I can avoid unnecessary breaking and shedding. And guys, I make sure I go into the scalp, I scrub with my fingertips to make sure that I'm lifting up that sweat and dirt, because I want to make sure guys that my scalp is properly clean, because I don't want that buildup to stay on there. So I leave this shampoo in usually for about 3 minutes so it can soak into the hair and definitely lift up residue on my scalp to make sure it is properly clean. And we're doing all this guys because you're only going to shampoo your hair once. You're not using any other products on there, so you want to make sure it is clean, it feels good. Now if you have a lot more hair than me, if you need a little bit more product, maybe you need to shampoo and condition it, or shampoo it twice, go ahead. Just make sure that your hair is clean, all that sweat is gone guys. Afterwards guys, I know I didn't show this clip on there, I forgot to add it, but make sure to rinse your hair with some herbal tea, like the herbal tea that's on my channel. If you guys haven't seen, I made that as well. I have how I made that tea. You're going to rinse your hair out so you can add moisture in there, because you just shampoo it, and you can always use moisture after you use any type of shampoo. Even if it's natural, you want to make sure that your hair is staying hydrated. And I want you guys to see how my hair is clean, but it's not stripped. If you can see the ends, they are all curled up. They kept their hydration. I did not strip them, and I love that fact. And what I'm going to do guys is take my microfiber towel, and I'm going to just dab my hair. I'm not going to completely dry it. I'm drying it about 60 to 80% guys, and after I feel this is dry enough, I will grab my aloe vera spray, and I'm going to spray all over my hair, because this is a great time to add some aloe juice to your hair and scalp to make sure it soaks in, and again to add more moisture in your hair guys, because this heat is stealing all the moisture in your hair. You can use as much moisture as possible, so make sure you add all that moisture into your hair to make sure it's hydrated, it's clean. And that's it guys. On my workout days guys, this is all I do to make sure that my hair stay clean, stay hydrated, and stay nice, and avoid product buildup and any scalp irritation until my complete wash day routine. Then I'm going to take these braids out and do a complete washing, deep conditioning, and all that treatments. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, of course guys, subscribe to my channel and click that little notification bell so you'll know when I have new videos out. Don't forget to leave all your comments down below guys. What do you do to keep your hair clean until wash day if you go to the gym or work out at home? And also give this video a thumbs up. Go over guys and watch my last video.